In the beginning of this year, I embarked on a month-long engineering journey, which resulted in building this crazy contraption meant to help you eat sushi. This is the result of one of the builds from my Grover's class, for which I'll do a quick review in the end if you want to know more about it. Now I know this thing looks super weird and you're probably wondering,
how the hell is man supposed to eat sushi off this thing?
Let me show you how it actually ended up like this. In Mark's class there are 3 builds, and this one was definitely the most challenging one for me. See, this build was meant to be purely mechanical, which meant I couldn't use any code. I need code. Now, besides being mechanical, it should solve a food-related problem. Now, I'm 99% certain that if you've eaten sushi before, that this sort of thing happened to you before.
Man, it's gotta be your first time.
Man, you need to practice. Hey chump, need a fork there? Now you look stupid. Your clothes are dirty, the table is dirty, your piece of sushi is soaking in soy sauce, although I heard that's how some of you like it. But I was determined to put an end to this. Now the device I built was meant to softly dunk sushi in the soy sauce without the risk of you dropping it. I went through multiple design iterations. The first idea was a bit more on the complex side. I thought of a conveyor belt system that would softly dunk the piece of sushi in soy sauce and bring it back to my plate. However, that didn't really work out because my motors were too weak. Oh yeah, and I streamed the whole process on Twitch. So in theory, you could have seen me fail and break down live. See you next time, I guess. I don't know. Hope you catch me next time. So now I was low on time and I had nothing. I knew I had to change the design and get something simpler working. So I started with this basic idea of a spoon rotating around a disc. And slowly I graduated to this. And this thing is the final result, and it's packed with features. It can obviously do the most important part, which is dunking the piece of sushi in soy sauce. It also features a height adjustable bed supported by springs. It can drop the piece of sushi back onto your plate without you having to touch it in the danger area. And last but not least, it's got this charismatic shield to protect you and your friends from any unintended soy sauce slinging. Now you and your inexperienced friends can go to a sushi place near you and experience the flavor without the risk of embarrassment. And the comments are much nicer too.
Dude, what is that thing? Did he build that thing? Oh my god.
Alright.
Dude, he's so cool.
Oh my god, he's so smart.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See ya! Crap, I forgot to review Mark's class. So yeah, about that class. It's not your typical class. If you expect to be taught things in a step-by-step tutorial sort of fashion, it's really not that. Basically, you embark on a month-long journey in which you're meant to complete 3 builds alongside your peers. I think that's because Mark's aware that all the learning resources can be found online. The actual learning process comes from doing the builds themselves, while following the engineering design process. Big robots pop footballs, brainstorm, research, prototype, and final build. Damn, Mark's gonna be so proud of this. And the other cool part is you get to be inspired by all these other people and their creative ideas and builds. Like, some of these turned out really nice. But if you didn't get a chance to sign up, my recommendation is don't wait for it, just start building. There are plenty of maker tutorials out there to help you get started, and little by little you'll grow in confidence and make more complex builds over time. There's this one little thing I didn't like about the class. See this clip here? 7 feet in between feet. Feet? The imperial system? For real? Come on, Mark, why are you doing like that? I obviously built more things during the class and also outside of the class, so expect plenty of more cool videos for 2021. Okay guys, now it's the end. See you in the next video. Bye!